Once again, very good afternoon, dear students.
Good
Students,
afternoon, ma'am.
yesterday we have started our second chapter of SST, that is parallels and meridians. We have read about parallels, the properties of parallels, and we have also learned about the important parallels on the globe. Today we will start with meridians, and after that we will discuss the back exercise of this particular chapter. So be ready. Okay. Meridians. What are meridians? The semicircular lines on the globe which join the North Pole with the South Pole are called meridians. Yes, dear students, look at this diagram. The semicircular means the half circular lines on the globe which join the North Pole. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. These lines join the North Pole with the South Pole. They are called meridians. Okay. Again, the semicircular lines, these are the semicircular lines. They join the North Pole with the South Pole. These lines are called meridians. Yes, dear students. The word meridians come from the Latin word meridis. This word meridians, it comes from the Latin word meridis, which means midday, mid of the day. All of them are equal in length. All the meridians are equal in length. Some of the properties are the distance between any two meridians is maximum at the equator. The maximum distance is of meridians is at the equator. Second is, sorry, the distance between any two meridians decreases towards the north and the south of the equator. You can see in the diagram also, the distance between, this is the distance between any two meridian. This decreases towards the North Pole and towards the South Pole also. Third is the meridian cross the parallel at right angle. And the last one is the meridians can help us to find the east-west direction. These meridians help us to find the east-west directions, whereas the parallels help us, they give us the direction north-south. Okay. And meridians help us to find east-west direction. Yes, according to an agreement, there was an agreement. According to that agreement, the meridian passes through Greenwich. Greenwich is a place. According to an agreement, the meridian passing through Greenwich near London in UK. This is a place, Greenwich is a place near London in UK, was taken as the starting point. It is called the prime meridian. Yes, students, you can see prime meridian in this diagram, the meridians of on the globe. This is the prime meridian. And according to an agreement, this the meridian that passing through the Greenwich was taken as the starting point. This is the starting point. This is called the prime meridian. Okay. The angular distance or east or west of the prime meridian is called longitude, and the meridians are called the lines of longitude, whereas the parallels are called the lines of latitude and the meridians are called the lines of longitude. You have to keep in mind. The parallels are called the lines of latitudes and the meridians are called the lines of longitudes. Yes, students, the prime meridian is marked as 0 degree. It is marked as 0 degree. The meridians which lies just opposite the prime meridian is marked as just opposite the prime meridian. This is the prime meridian and the meridians which lies opposite the prime meridian is marked as 180 degree. Third one is if the meridian are drawn at an angle of 1 degree, then there are 180 meridians towards the east direction and 180 meridian towards the west. Means total number of meridians are 360. Total number of meridians are 360. 180 towards the east, 180 towards the west. And the last is the total number of meridians which I have explained you. The total number of meridians will be 360 as 180 degree east and 180 degree west are the same line. Now the checkpoint. We will discuss it later on with the back exercise. Next is locating places on the globe. The network, or you can say web. The network of parallels and meridians on the globe is called the grid or the graticule. You can see the diagram of grid on the globe. This is the diagram of grid on the globe. What is the grid? The network of parallels and the meridians. These are the parallel lines and these are the meridians. And this network is called the grid. We can locate all the places on the Earth's surface with the help of the grid. We can locate any place on the Earth's surface with the help of that grid which I have shown you. To locate a place on the globe, we should know the value of latitude and longitude of that place. If we want to locate an exact position of a place, we should know about the latitude and longitude of that place. Only then we can locate that place. Okay. And the last one, the place at which the parallel of and the meridian across each other is the location of that place. The place where the parallels and the meridians cross each other. Okay, the place where the parallels and the meridians cross each other is the location of that particular place. Dear students, that's all about the chapter which we have started yesterday. Parallels and meridians. Yes, now let's discuss the checkpoint. Fill in the blanks with the information from the text. The earth rotates on its blank. The earth rotates on its blank. Raise your hands who can answer. The earth rotates on its blank. Any one of you? Yes, Vansham? Yes, Sirat. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, okay.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Spelling.
AXIJ.
AXIS. The correct pronunciation of this word is axis. Okay.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
Earth rotates on its axis. AXIS. This is the correct spelling, and the correct pronunciation of this word is axis. Axis is an imaginary line about which any body rotates. Okay, and the Earth rotates on its axis. Yes, good efforts. Second one, the largest circle on the Earth is blank. The largest circle on the Earth is blank. Yes, Yashvi?
Equator.
Yashasvi? Yes. The largest
Equator.
circle that can be drawn on the globe is equator. The largest circle on the Earth is equator. Very good. Next, third one. The parallels are drawn at blank distance from each other. The parallels are drawn at blank distance from each other. Yes, Sirat?
I'm equal.
Very nice. Very nice. Your answer is correct. And the last one, the Arctic Circle is on blank north. And for north, the Arctic Circle is on blank. Yesterday, I have some important parallels with you. This is one of them. The Arctic Circle is on blank north. Yashasvi?
66.1 by 2 S.
N. Arctic Circle is in the north direction. Okay. N stands for north. Okay. Yashasvi? Circle is on
Ma'am,
66
third का
1
क्या
upon
है?
2 degree north. The parallels are drawn at equal distance. All the parallels are drawn at the equal distance. Okay. Clear? Is there any doubt in this checkpoint?
No, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Or may I start with the back exercise? May I start with the back exercise? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First part is state whether the statement is true or false. First one, the location of places is not fixed on the globe. The location of places is not fixed on the globe. Is it true or false? Ananya?
Ma'am, false. Ma'am,
Yes.
false.
Yes, the location of place is always fixed on the globe. So this is false statement. Second, in ancient time, there was no system of address for locating places. In ancient times mean long, long ago, there was no system of address for locating places. Is this true or false? Vansham?
Ma'am, false.
Yes, Vansham?
Ma'am,
This is true.
ma'am,
Yes, this is true. Long ago, there was no system of address. There were no colonies, no sectors, no house numbers. So this statement is true. Next one, the third one, the earth or a globe rotates around its axis from west to east. The earth or
ma'am, false.
rotates around its axis. Who has given the answer?
Ma'am, क्या है?
Who has given the answer? This is true statement. The earth rotates around its axis from west to east direction. This is true. Okay, Bhanu, I think you have given the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
This is true statement. The earth or a globe rotate around its axis from west to east direction. This is true. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is all the meridians are complete circles on the globe. Very simple. Is this true or false? Everyone should know the answer. All the meridians are complete circles on the globe. Ayush?
False.
Very good. Meridians are semicircles. Parallels are complete circles. Okay, good. Next one. The Tropic of Cancer is marked as 23 1/2 degree north. The Tropic of Cancer is marked as, yes, Lavisha? Yes, Lavisha?
Ma'am, true.
Very good. And the last one, the prime meridian passes through London in England. The prime meridian passes through London in England. Is this true? Ayush Dixit? Vansham, mute your mic.
False.
Vansham, mute your mic. Vansham, Bhanu.
False.
Bhanu. Yes. I am repeating this part. The location of places is not fixed on the globe. This is false. In ancient times, there was no system of addresses for locating places. Yes, this is too long ago. There was no system of address of locating a place. Third one, the earth or a globe rotates around its axis from west to east. Yes, this is true. Fourth one, all the meridians are complete circles on the globe. This is false. Parallels are complete circles. Meridians are semicircles. Next one, the Tropic of Cancer is marked at 23 1/2 degree north. Yes, this is true. And the last one, the prime meridian passes through London in England. False. The prime meridian passing through Greenwich. Okay. Yes. Next part. Tick the correct answers. First one, the total number of parallels at 1 degree interval is blank. The total number of parallels. Only raise your hands. Ananya Miglani.
Ma'am, may I?
Ananya Miglani.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, 180.
The total number of parallels, including equator.
180.
See that?
Ma'am, 181.
181. There are 181 parallels, including the equator. Okay. Next is the total number of meridians at 1 degree interval.
Ma'am, may I?
The total
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may
options are
Ma'am, may I?
options are 361, 360, 181, 180. Yes,
Ma'am,
Lavisha.
Ma'am, may I?
Lavisha,
Yes, ma'am.
the total number of meridians at 1 degree interval is blank. No meridians. We are talking about, no, your answer is wrong. We are talking about meridians, not parallels. Yes, Yashasvi?
Ma'am, 360.
Yes, repeat your answer.
360. Ma'am,
Very
360.
good. Your answer is correct. 360. Very good. Third one. The two endpoints of the axis of the globe are called blank. The two endpoints of the axis of the globe are called poles, parallels, prime meridian, or meridian. Only
Ma'am,
raise your hands. No one will shout. No one will shout. Only raise your hand. Yes, Nikhil. Nikhil, unmute yourself.
yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. The two
Mummy.
endpoints of the axis of the globe are called poles, parallels, prime meridians, or meridians. Which is the right option? Yes,
Ma'am, C.
please.
C.
Prime meridian.
Mummy, I.
Your answer is wrong, Nikhil.
Mummy, I.
No, Lavisha, mute your mic. Lavisha, mute your mic. Vansham and Bhanu, mute your mic. Let him try. Yes, Nikhil. The two endpoints of the axis of the globe are called blank. Again, I am showing you the diagram. Nikhil, look at this diagram. These are the two endpoints of the axis, and these are called poles, North Pole and South Pole. Okay, Nikhil,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next one. What can help in locating places on a globe or a, sorry, fourth one is missing. The parallels and meridians cut each other, or you can say cross each other at blank.
Mummy, I.
180 degree, 0 degree. Ayush Dikshit.
180
No one will
degree.
say may I. Yes, Ayush, repeat your answer.
180 degree.
No.
Mummy,
Vansham.
90.
Vansham.
Ma'am, 90.
Yes, 90 degree. They cross each other at 90 degree. Next one, fifth one. What can help in locating places on a globe or a map?
Mummy,
What can help in locating places on a globe? Options are grid, parallels, axis, or meridians. Bhanu, mute your mic.
Okay.
I have instructed you 3-4 times. Yes, Ananya Miglani. What can help in locating places on a globe or a map? Yes, Ananya. Please repeat. Your voice is not clear. Let her try. Let her try. Ananya Miglani. Yes. A option. This is grid. Okay. The correct pronunciation of this word is grid. Grid. Okay. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next one. Sixth one. Which of the following is not an important parallel on the globe or earth? Which of the following is not an important parallel on the globe or Earth? Options are equator, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, or Prime Meridian.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Bhanu.
Ma'am, Antarctic Circle.
Yes, repeat your answer.
Ma'am, Antarctic Circle.
Is this correct? Lavisha?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. Who are saying this is correct?
Prime Meridian,
This
ma'am.
is the correct answer.
No, ma'am.
Which of the following is not an important parallel on the globe?
Prime Meridian.
Bhanu? Which is the correct answer?
Okay, ma'am.
Prime meridian is the correct answer. We are talking about parallels. Okay. Yes, next part is fill in the blanks. The equator divides the blank into two equal parts. The
Ma'am, may
equator
I?
divides. Yes.
Earth.
Who is there? Lavisha? Yes, the equator divides the earth into two equal parts. Next is the other name of meridian is a line of blank. The other name of meridian is a line of blank. Vansham? The other
may
name of meridian is a line of blank. Ananya? Lavisha?
Ma'am, longitude.
Very good. Next, third one. The parallels are drawn at blank distance from the blank. The parallels are drawn at blank distance from the blank. Vansham?
Ma'am, equal. Ma'am, may I?
Yes. And in the next blank? The parallels are drawn at equal distance from the each
Equator.
other. Next is the distance between any two meridian is blank at equator. The distance between any two
Ma'am, may I?
meridian is blank at equator. Vansham? The distance between any two meridian is. Yes, please
May
repeat.
Ma'am,
Lavisha, wait.
181.
No. The distance between any two meridian is blank at the equator. Yes,
May I?
Lavisha?
North and south.
No. Is maximum at the equator. Okay. The
Okay.
distance between any two meridian is maximum at equator. Next, a grid on a map is the network of blank and blank. A grid on the map is the network of parallels and meridians. And the last one, the latitude and longitude are blank distances. The latitude and longitude are blank distances. Lavisha?
Parallels meridian. Ma'am, no.
Last one. Yes,
Ma'am,
the latitude and
long.
longitude are
Long.
blank.
Ma'am, long.
No,
कौन सा सुन रही ma'am?
these are imaginary distances. Okay, they are not in real.
Ma'am, longitude.
They are not actual.
Ma'am, 9.
Okay. Again, I am repeating this part. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. Second one, the other name of meridian is the line of longitude. The parallels are drawn at equal distance from each other, or you can say from equator. The distance between any two meridians is maximum at equator. And fifth one, a grid on a map is the network of parallels and meridians. And the last one, the latitude and longitude are imaginary distances. So that's all about the back exercise. Tomorrow we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Okay? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
students, now I am going to over this lecture. Take care and have a nice day.
Ma'am, third
Yes.
और fourth क्या है?
Oh my God, dang it.
Fill in the blanks में
Third
third
and
और fourth.
fourth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, fill in the blanks में.
Third, the parallels are drawn at equal distance from the equator or from each other.
Ma'am,
You will get the PDF. You can note down from there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You will get the butterfly.
Yes, dear students, take care. Now I am going to over this lecture.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Vansham.
काट दे इधर अरे काट दे मैडम देखो मैं मना कर दिया मम्मी